The goal is to reduce the amount of problems that arise, keep conflict to a minimum, and try and get people to find solutions that are not going to cost them a lot of money to resolve. I'm Arden Besunder. I'm the founding attorney of Arden Besunder PC, and I help clients solve their estate planning problems. We really seek to give individualized attention to each client and their specific objective. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. I think everybody has a very interesting story. And one of the reasons that I really wanted to transition to a practice that has more individualized client focus is that I'm really interested in people. I come from a family of lawyers, many generations of lawyers. My family's roots are in Brooklyn. My grandfather had an office on 16 Court Street, which is just blocks from where I live now. And I really can't imagine being anywhere else other than New York. I think the hardest part is making the first phone call to us, that once you've done that and once you've made that initial consultation, we have a process in place so that we keep it moving along and so you don't get stalled. I have a great team in my office. I have an associate and an assistant. We've really tried to be immediately responsive to each client. There's a continuity when you're speaking with somebody that we all know what is going on with a certain client matter. My focus is really on trying to keep people in harmony. I like to ask the clients specifically about the dynamic in their family, if there are people that they think might not get along, to really think through in how people are going to interact. People really should do this kind of planning. They get life insurance for the event of dying and not providing for their loved ones. They have retirement accounts to save for their future. This is another piece of planning for the events, no matter how unlikely, of death or incapacity or crisis situations that can come up, so that you've already planned for them in advance. It's like having a fire plan or an escape route. It's really no different. I try to bring the quality and the services that one might think that a big firm offers to clients, but at a much more efficient and cost-effective price. I love doing what I do because I genuinely like people. I like interacting with people, having a conversation, and making intimidating concepts more understandable. I derive fulfillment from the work that I do when a client leaves an estate planning signing and says, "I'm so relieved. I'm so happy I got that done. I'm so happy I got that for my to-do list." That's the most gratifying for me. Among the many things that we wake up at night worrying about, this shouldn't be one of them. By doing the documents, knowing that there's a plan in place, knowing that this piece of your life is organized, even though there may be others that are not. And there is a finite path to doing it and to getting it done. And I think that provides peace of mind.